Victor, the first half, second half, night and day in terms of how you guys performed. What do you think was the key to turning it around, and why couldn't you close it at the very end? Because you guys were close quite a few times.
I think, the second half, we just played harder. They finally missed some shots. We finally got a flow, got some easy ones, got some layups, got some steals, got out on the break, did some big shots, moved the ball better. The flow was better, got ourselves back in the game. Towards the end of the game, a couple of shots that, that normally go in, just didn't go in for us at the end, unfortunately. I feel like we got some great looks, including myself. 2 in and outs down the stretch. I mean, it's tough, man. But, at the end of the day, we did a better job of playing in the second half. We just got to carry that over to the next game.
Bob Kravitz?
See, you allowed 74 points in the first half, which I'm sure you're painfully aware of. How do you explain it? You wanted to take away their airspace, get them off the three-point line, and yet it didn't happen. Why do you think that's so?
Because it's a lot easier said than done. You could say it. It can look plain and simple, but it's not as easy as it looks. But you just got to run through the problem instead of making excuses. So we did a better job of that in the second half, and again, we just got to carry that over to the next game.